Hey guys, Jason here from Electric Bike Technologies. We got a Liberty Trike here. We're going to do something we're going to call helpful shorts. These are short little videos to help people with particular problems. They're going to be very quick and very to the point. Can anybody see what's wrong here in this very first helpful short? Anybody? I know a lot of people already are seeing it. So this wheel has been assembled backwards by mistake. You know, because the fender is coming out in the front and it really should be back here. And the handlebars look straight, right? And that's not too hard to do if you don't watch the video or if you just make a simple mistake here. So the result of this is that when you're actually in reverse, you get the wheel spinning in reverse. So you get this 3 mile an hour forward, which is that speed limited reverse safety feature, which is great. But if you tap the red button and you put it into forward, what happens is you end up going that way. And the trike goes in reverse and it can go very fast. So you want to be very careful with this. So if you're having that behavior where you're slow going forward, but you press the red button and you're super fast going backwards, that's why you just have your wheel on backwards. A lot of people in our owners group recognize that and try to help people out. This video is going to go one better. So I'm going to show you how to remedy this. You've already put the wheel on in reverse. You need to fix it, right? The number one thing you want to do, and by the way, if you've done this, your brake cable is already being impeded by the frame, which is a problem, right? So the number one thing you want to do is you want to disconnect these connections. Okay, so motor connection and this one, which is called your 3-to-1 connection here for your accessory cable. Those are your two electronic connections, and then you want to release the quick release here, which is up for the handlebar. Once you do that, you can actually just loosen that handlebar and then make sure you're turning your fork the right way, meaning get that cable out of there, that brake cable, right? And now your wheel is on forward and your fender is to the back. Our electronic cables are still disconnected, and we have this brake cable. By the way, this brake cable for the front disc brake should never be impeded. It should always be bowed out in front here, nice and wide. If you even zip tie this in a certain way or do whatever, you're causing strain and you may engage your caliper, so you don't want to do that. So now your wheel is on forward. You want to adjust your handlebar, okay? And you can put that, you can always do that again later, but you want to do that with your clamp. Your clamp goes this way. A lot of people, when this is on the ground, you hold this between your legs, the tire, and then you push that clamp in and tighten it so your handlebar is nice and straight and aligned with your tire, right? Got your brake cable bowed out. So you've got your motor connection. That's this big one, right? This big motor connection, nothing should wrap around the neck of a frame. You don't want to put any undue strain on there. So this one's going to be over here, which is on my right side, looking down. Got my 2 arrows there. I'm going to find my arrows here and line that up, push it in very securely, okay? Now, you have this other connection, which is going to your 3-to-1, and you can actually put that right here as well. I think a lot of people do that on the other side, bring that out the other side. Look for that little tab inside, be very careful. You have a lot of small pins in there, and there's a guide. So look for that guide, look for those arrows, and then make sure that is, again, no daylight and very snug. And that should be it. So you've solved the problem. You're not going to go super fast in reverse and very slow and forward anymore. Your wheel is on correctly. If you're watching this video, you might have had this problem and somebody gave you this video. Hope it helps.